Good morning, everyone. Welcome, August. A new month, a new chapter, a new page, and new wishes. As we start this new month, let us say goodbye to all stress, all anxiety, all negative thoughts and energies we are going to leave behind. You see, my friends, everything happened so far has helped us to be here, to advance, to improve, and to grow. So today is a new chapter full of new beginnings, new hopes, and new blessings. May this new month shine on you brightly and bring you happiness and joy. May your day be blessed with faith, hope, and love today and every day on your journey home. And today, my friends, August 1st is also Emancipation Day in my blessed island home, Jamaica. Emancipation Day in Jamaica is a testament to the resilience and strength of its people. It's a day of joy, remembrance, and hope, celebrating the journey from a painful past towards a future filled with promises and possibilities. The vibrant festivities and solemn commemorations are all a reminder of the enduring spirit of a nation that has risen from the ashes of slavery and forged a path of freedom and cultural pride. Yeah, man. A word to the wise. Happy Emancipation Day to every Jamaican, yard and abroad. Blessings.